This Remax Equity Group property video is presented by Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray. Affordable wonderful home with 2 bedrooms and 2 baths in a beautiful quiet, 55+ MH park in East County. Home feels larger than the square feet due to the vaulted ceilings and open floor plan. There is a large kitchen with island open to the family room. Separate laundry room also houses furnace and storage. Decks in front and back recently replaced. Water and sewer are included in the monthly park fee. There is a shared well and septic system. For more information, review the details below or contact Sarah Murray and less than bedroom greater than Lorna Murray at 503-680-1221.